So there's two ways that you can think about what needs to happen here. You can either multiply the fractions by imagining that this 15 is over 1, and then multiplying the numerators and multiplying the denominators, and then reducing. So that would give you 60, because 4 times 15 is 60, over 5, because 5 times 1 is 5. And then you would reduce that further by dividing 60 by 5 and getting 12. So that's the first option. And in that option, you are multiplying first, and then you are reducing or simplifying. The other option is to cross cancel. And if you're going to cross cancel, what you're going to do is you're going to reduce first. So if you're going to reduce first, you're still going to envision this 15 as being 15 over 1, but you're going to look for a common factor within the numerators and the denominators. So you're going to go 5 goes into here once, and 5 goes into here 3 times. At this rate, you're going to now multiply by multiplying the numerators together and the denominators together to get 12 over 1, which is the same thing as 12. So in that case, you reduced first and then you multiplied. So either or is going to get you the answer that you want. It just depends on whether you like to cross cancel or not.